You are listening this dictation at onlinetayari.in. He stressed on the need for timely submission of statistics and data by the various line departments and to ensure that correct data is collected as it is to do with formulation of planning and policy making of the government. He said the economics and statistics department is not a scheme-based department but works slowly on dissemination of data and information to all the departments to maintain accuracy and stability. Parliamentary Secretary of Border Affairs and Thomas Lotha has asserted a harder stand on Nagaland's border issue. Resolving the border dispute between Assam and Nagaland, in particular the prevailing tension along the Dimapur-Karbi Angalong border, is high on its list of priorities, said Lotha after visiting Dikoi, Rilanyan and Indisen yesterday. The dispute at Dikoi has already claimed 2 lives, while the firing incident at the Lahorijan border post of the Assam police at Dilai on June 1st has further resulted in escalation of apprehension along the disputed border. On the Assam-Nagaland border dispute, Lotha questioned the wisdom of the central government as it had not properly demarcated the boundary between Assam and Nagaland when the latter was carved out of Assam. In the same breath, he said that Assam should respect Nagaland's position. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met his Council of Ministers at his residence yesterday. In the meeting, Mr. Modi is understood to have told his Council of Ministers to work for efficient governance and time-bound implementation of the work undertaken by ensuring that benefits should reach the people. Air correspondent reports that at the meeting, Prime Minister talked about his ideas on how to boost the economy, attract greater investment and improve infrastructure. Mr. Modi asked the ministers to come up with progress report on various projects initiated by the previous UPA government. He also emphasized that all the 45 ministers and ministers should work cohesively with synergy for the country's development. The Prime Minister also reportedly asked for inputs on President Pranab Mukherjee's address to the joint sitting of Parliament. Union Rural Development Minister Gopinath Munde died in the capital, New Delhi, this morning. He was 64. He suffered a cardiac arrest following a road accident while on his way to the airport. His car was hit by another vehicle at Prithvi Raj Road, Tughlaq Road roundabout in the capital. Immediately after the accident, Munde was brought to All India Institute of Medical Sciences.